Hello, future Vista Heights ninth graders. This is a registration video that will show you how you are able to register for ninth grade. All of you should have received a registration packet that looks like this. If you did not receive a registration packet, please go to the counseling office and pick one up. Notice that it does say please fill out in pencil only. Just in case you make mistakes, we do want to make sure that you're using pencil. Notice you do have quite a bit more choice this year. You can choose English or English Honors. You can choose multiple levels of math. Remember, talk to your math teacher to find out what is the appropriate placement for you. You also have Honors History or Regular History. You have 3 different science options. You will have a PE class, and you have 2 different computer tech options, as well as your other electives. You also have 3 alternates. Please remember, when you're filling out your electives, choose your alternates from different classes. Just in case we can't get you into one of these electives, we'll go down to your alternate. If you have not put in any alternates, then we will have to choose your classes. Remember, full year classes take 2 spaces, semester classes only take 1. You can find out whether classes are full year or semester on the back side of your registration packet. Notice the classes over here on the left, those are all full year classes. Classes from here over, the center and to the right, are semester classes. So be aware of what those requirements are. Remember, you are signing up for high school, so every class you take does go towards high school graduation requirements. The one exception to that would be seminary. Seminary is a release time class, but if you want to take seminary, you do need to sign up on your registration packet. If there's a star by any classes, that means that an application is required, or, as in the case of theater classes here, and choir and band and orchestra, you do need to do auditions. Talk to your teachers about those audition times and what classes they recommend. For choir, just sign up for concert choir, and we will place you in the appropriate choir according to your audition. Once you have filled out your registration packet, then you go to Skyward. You log on with your password, and that will bring you up to your home page. Over here on the side, come down to Schedule and click on Schedule. That will bring you up to the page that has your schedule, and notice Request Courses for 2016-17. Click on that, and it will bring you to the registration homepage. On this side are the classes that you have the opportunity to choose. Notice we've already put PE in for this student. Over here are all of your other classes that you need to choose from. Remember, on your paper here, you do need to choose English, Math, History, Science, and Computer Tech right at the very beginning. So that's the first thing that I'd tell you to do. Go and choose those classes. They are in alphabetical order according to their description, so all the English classes are together. So you can choose whether you want English 9 or English 9 Honors. What you do is you click on them, say Add Course, and notice they will be brought over to this side. Also notice it brings over both first semester and second semester. All those classes are linked to be full year classes. So let's go ahead and add in our full year classes. If you'll notice, I've added in all of the required full year classes except for Computer Tech. There are 2 options for Computer Tech next year. There's Exploring Computer Science, or there's Computer Tech, which is right down here and right here. If you want to know what the difference is between those, you can click on the name and notice it brings up what the description of that class is. And so you can decide one of those 2. This is a graduation requirement though, so make sure that you do choose one or the other. So again, you can click on it, add it in. Up here, you'll notice that there is a total credits as well as a total requests. You want to get the total credits up to 8 total credits and the total request up to 16. So now, once we have made these classes, we need to be able to add in our other classes. Maybe I want to take a band next year. We can add that in. Remember to talk to Mr. Lehman about what the appropriate band placement is, or to your other teachers. Same thing, we can add in drama. I do recommend students take 2 years of foreign language during their high school career. If you have not started a foreign language, maybe this is a good time to think about that. So maybe I decide I want to take Spanish. Notice, again, when I take Spanish, it will pull over 2 classes, both the first semester and the second semester. I'm at 15 and 7.5, so I do need to choose one more class. So let's go ahead and say I want to take a drawing class. Now I've got my 16 credits, or my 16 requests, and my 8 credits. If I change my mind, I can click on that and remove a class and choose another one. Instead of drawing, maybe I want to take ceramics. That works for every class except for the classes that were chosen for you by the counselors, which was PE in this case. If you think that you need to be out of that class, you do need to go in and talk to the counselors. Once you're done, please click on the print icon and print your classes. Once you have printed your classes, please return this sheet and a copy of those classes that you printed off to the counseling office. That way we have a record of what you've signed up for. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate your time and hope that you have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, please contact the counseling office at Vista Heights Middle School. Registration will be open from March 4th through March 11th. You can register anytime during that time frame, and it is not a first-come, first-served basis. But if you do not get your classes in, we will have to choose those classes for you, so we encourage you to get those done quickly. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.